Hi, it's Todd Jennings here from Savanna tanks in Gaborone and Ramotsa. You're looking at the Francistown Road, village called Foley, and if I pan around, you see one of our most recent installations. It's a 50 kiloliter on 12 meter stand, I believe. Everything completely manufactured in Gaborone, steel work done in Gaborone, galvanized in South Africa. And yeah, again, this installation was relatively quick in terms of time. A few accessories holding people back. Other than that, a job well done. Todd Jennings signing out.